go the drives that you have on your computer and just select the drive that you want to in which you want to install Windows 10. So I would like to suggest you select that drive in which you have Ubuntu installed. This is the drive in which I would like to install Windows 10, and this is the same drive in which I have installed Ubuntu. How would I know? Because that that drive size was 120 GB, so I just got the idea. This is the drive in which I have to install Windows 10. After that, we have to format our pen drive. As you can see, I cannot format. As you can see here, the option Windows can't be installed on drive 0 partition 3. Okay, so this was the error I was discussing earlier, that I told you would face, or you may face, or you may not face this problem. If you are not facing this problem and you are getting format option, just click on this option and all done. Okay, if you are seeing this error as I am seeing, all you need to do, press Windows plus 10 button, Windows plus F10 button, press. I'm sorry, Shift plus F10. You have to press Shift plus F10 button from your keyboard. Okay, and then you will get this command box. Now first you type here. I will write the commands that you need to type in the description. You can check the so first command is disk part. Okay, we are going out of focus. Don't worry. Okay, so after typing disk part, disk part is selected. Now type list disk. Okay, now press enter. Now we got the disk that we have on our computer. Okay, now you need to press let me see, this is the drive that we need to format, 120 GB that drive. Okay, whatever the list of drives you are getting, you need to identify which drive you have to format. Okay, we are going to format that drive, so make sure you don't have any important data in that drive. Okay, if you have, just cancel all these things and back up that data and then come back to this video. Okay, this is the disclaimer, and I am not responsible for your data. I am clarifying. If you have any important data in your drive, go back and back up that data and come back. Okay, I will come back to this video. Okay, so we need to select disk 0. As you can see, this is the drive, disk 0 I need to select. Okay, we are going to format disk 0, so I'm going to type select. We are going to select disk 0. Okay, select disk, okay, number disk 0. Okay, just in case, for example, let's suppose your the drive you would like to format is disk 1. In that case, you will type here 1. Okay, in my case I have 0. Okay, I'm going to type 0, enter. Okay, so as you can see, disk 0 is now the selected disk. Okay, now the next step is just type clean. Okay, CLEAN. So clean means we are going to format this drive. Okay, as you can see, disk part succeeded in cleaning the disk. Okay, so next command we need to type create disk part pre. Okay, create part pre and press enter. Okay, I'm sorry, we don't need to do this. Just press exit. Okay, just follow this for till this. Okay, you need to follow for this. Only you need to press clean, and then after ignore this step, just press exit. Okay, you don't need to do anything next. Okay, leaving. Now press exit again. That is it. Now you can see we don't still we don't have of format option here. So what we are going to press, refresh button. Okay, now we pressed refresh button and I am going to select this option, and as you can see now I got the option format. Now I am going to format this drive. Okay, it is formatted now. Now we are going to click on next button, and that is it. You can see our window is now being installed. That is it, all you need to do this, and now window will automatically be installed, and then in the next steps you can set up your windows and you can arrange the settings. Now you don't have to do anything. Okay, I assume you know the next steps. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video.